Gold, we had amazing trades too, guys. We had it, a long trade here, and then afterwards, price refused, and then we can see here, price came back and reject. We're looking at short trade here. We already mentioned through live analysis. If you look at here, we had a head and shoulder pattern. Based on that, that's what we explained. Or trade a high probability price is gonna break one more push to the downside. This is the target. Price needs to hit this target and squeeze amazing profit. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. Hello, trader. Today is the 8th of December, first trading day of the week, Monday. We had an amazing trade, guys, especially all the yen and the gold give us amazing juicy pips. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market today and help our traders squeeze amazing profit. And if you look at the pound dollar last week, if you are following my analysis, we had this beautiful rally, guys. Let me share with you guys. So we had this beautiful rally, and most of the traders squeeze amazing profit. Right now, price develop a consolidation flag pattern that give us the sign of continuation. But we'll see today we didn't have any high impact news. Tomorrow we had a high impact news for the dollar, and if the price develop impulsive reaction, looking price action around this level. But based on this price action, this is the structure has been developed. This is what we're looking here. Let's see tomorrow. But today we didn't have any good trades. We came out of the break even. We were looking here. We had a very small long trade here, which basically came out of the break even. Then we also had this beautiful short trade here, and which technically came out of the break even. So we didn't have any good trades. Euro USD, we had only one short trade here. That was the beautiful when the price respected the previous high. We had this beautiful short trade here, and let me share with you guys, this was the analysis we did at the New York session. Price nicely broken and hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit. The best trades, we had all the yen pair, but if you look at the pound yen, we had an amazing and beautiful trade, guys. At the market open, we had this beautiful short trade here. When the price reversed, if you look at this candle, sort of like a bullish engulfing candle based on the body, price refused to stay below this level, and afterwards we will keep taking a pullbacks and help our traders not to miss any opportunity and squeeze amazing profit on pound yen. Now let me share with you guys how we analyze and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit on pound yen. The first trade we had, this is the Asian session breakout. Price nicely hit to the profit target as soon as the price reverse failed to stay below the previous low. That's why we suggest our traders time to bank some profit. That was a beautiful short trade here, and afterwards we had a counter long trade here. And let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. This was a pretty straightforward, as you can see here. We mentioned, and let's wait price to develop another structure. You can see impulsive, then price develop here, sort of like a correction, and pull back based on the analysis. Beautiful continuation and squeeze amazing profit. And even after that, we also mentioned to another pullback. That was a pretty straightforward at the New York session. As you can see here, we were looking this pullback here, and price nicely for one pullback, second pullback, third pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, and we explained our traders time to bank some profit. That was the beautiful long trade on pound yen. So if you look at the gold, we had amazing trades too, guys. We had it, a long trade here, and then afterwards price refused, and then we can see here price came back and reject. We're looking at short trade here. We already mentioned through live analysis. If you look at here, we had a head and shoulder pattern. Based on that, that's what we explained. Or trade a high probability price is going to break one more push to the downside. This is the target. Price nicely hit this target and squeeze amazing profit. Now let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. That was a beautiful trade. So first trade we had, it you can see pretty straightforward. Price refused to stay below the previous low. We had this confirmation, and then we were looking breakout and then retest confirmation and hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit on gold. This is the first long trade here, and afterwards we also had a short trade here being an intraday as mentioned in the 4 hour. So this was the beautiful short trade here, and as always looking to my trader, look for the safest trade. Price nicely broken low here and looking for another pullback. You can see here the price nicely broken and develop pullback, two pullback, hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit, guys, on gold. After banking some profit, we did another analysis, price reverse. As you can see here, pretty straightforward. We're looking this breakout price, we're looking at this breakout around this level and this level. As you can see, the price broken, beautiful, and price retest. This give us the confirmation for another short, squeeze amazing profit, guys, on gold, and afterward we had a last trade. We had a really beautiful push trade, short trade here, as you can see here, after banking some profit. As mentioned, look for any pullback continuation this sign. You can see here the price nicely broken and beautiful develop another pullback, one, two, third, fourth pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, that's why we suggest our traders time to bank some profit. So that was the beautiful, amazing short trade on gold. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis review. But if you want to see those analyses in real time, you know what to do. Most welcome. Join our fast going trading community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.